Hello everyone, my name is Tanya Velnati. I'm a third year computer science student at NMAMIT Institute of Technology, and I also serve as the Vice President of the Indian Technical Society. For the Talent for Japan Contest 2025, I chose Theme 5, Knowledge Capturing AI System. This choice is grounded in my personal experience from leading the club, where I found that the greatest challenge was not just making a decision, but capturing and preserving the reasoning behind those decisions for future members. Transferring leadership often leads to loss of critical context, leaving new members with instructions but insufficient understanding of past choices. This challenge has become a central focus to my work, leading me to explore how AI can be used to improve knowledge capturing, specifically within the Japanese corporate environment. In my roles on campus, I have seen how difficult it is not just to make a decision, but to document the reasoning behind them. The real cost isn't in when a decision is made, but when the future students or in the real world, the future employees ask, why did we do this? This challenge isn't unique to universities, especially severe in the Japanese work culture where 30% of the population is over 65. Workplace knowledge is often personal and undocumented, shaped by decades of silent experience. When a senior staff retires or moves on, their decision logic often too disappears, leaving younger staff with instructions but not the understanding. Given Japan's strict and highly structured work culture, employees are expected to explain every step they take, but the reason why is often shared in an unclear way. This results in stress, inefficiency, and loss of innovation, as teams spend hours preparing reports and explanations that only hint at past motivations. To solve this problem, I propose an AI-powered Chrome extension designed for real-time capture and transfer of workplace reasoning. Here's what makes this AI-driven approach different. Whenever a decision is made, whether over an email, a Google Doc, or during a chat, this extension powered by AI technologies pops up and asks one simple question: what's your reason? User can type, record a short audio message, or even upload a quick screen capture. The AI transcribes, analyzes, and processes this input instantly, transforming raw information into a clear, structured explanation and flowcharts. One of the key strengths of this AI system is its ability not only to capture the reason but also to process and securely store the data. This ensures that critical workplace knowledge is preserved in a searchable and an accessible format, ready to support informed decision making in the future. Each reasoning log is automatically linked to the relevant document, calendar event, or chat thread. It's not another place to take notes, but a smart AI-powered bridge that sits within existing tools, making documentation as easy as hitting a reply. New team members can replay prior reasonings by reading or listening to how senior staff members handle similar problems. The AI extension highlights reasoning patterns such as best practices and even lets the user search by scenarios. Over time, the AI system learns from captured reasoning, offering context-aware suggestions, flagging potential risks, or highlighting overlooked considerations, turning every decision into a teachable moment for the organization. All the data is securely stored using AI-optimized encryption and storage techniques, and organizations can choose an on-premise or an encrypted cloud deployment that is essential for firms for balancing innovation with data confidentiality. This AI-driven solution is designed for quick adoption with minimal disruption. Users simply add the Chrome extension and start logging their reasoning directly within the tools they are already using. Built on existing accessible AI and web technologies, organizations can roll it out in just a few months. No complex setup or retraining is needed. Japan's work culture is built on respect for seniority, deep process orientation, and strict demands for clarity. By turning tactic knowledge into transparent searchable stories through AI, this solution directly tackles the stress the younger workers feel when expected to match their seniors' depth of reasoning, and the reluctance the older employees have towards new tools. It preserves mentorship and ensures wisdom is inherited and not lost. Japan inspires me through its blend of deep tradition and relentless innovation. Experiencing firsthand of how teams, both young and old, collaborate with such dedication made me realize the greatest respect we can show is not just by following the past decisions, but truly understanding and sharing the reasoning behind them. I want to build tools that keep the spirit alive, so every generation can build upon this knowledge rather than repeating the past mistakes faced by previous employees. In summary, this isn't just a smarter documentation technique. It's an AI-powered, in-the-moment knowledge transfer solution. It makes workplace reasoning transparent, actionable, and reusable. In doing so, it brings Japanese companies closer to truly seamless, human-centered innovation. Thank you for your attention. I hope that this AI-driven solution can meaningfully reshape the future of work in Japan by making experience not just instructions but knowledge that is truly shareable across generations. Thank you.